So, last night, the diesel heater conked out on me last night. What happens is it shuts down and it gives you an error code, and usually it's out of fuel or the power in the battery's down or something. This was failed to start up code 10 anyway. Anyway, what happened is something to do with the fuel pump. The fuel pump itself, and apparently these ones that are made in China are actually somewhat notorious for that, I guess, kind of thing, that kind of failure. Anyway, so that happened somewhere around 3:30, 4 in the morning kind of thing. So what I did was I ended up putting a little tiny stove, wood stove on there, with the very last of my of the wood I had lying around, because I wasn't getting wood anymore because of the diesel heater. Thought it was going to function, but yeah, but no, it didn't do that. It kind of died on me. But so I had the fire going around 4:30 or something like that, and it lasted about a good hour and a half, maybe 2 hours maximum, kind of thing. And then after that, when it cooled down a little more, just before we got up and before the sun came up, I went and turned on my propane heater here, or propane stove, I should say, and get a little heat in here too. And yeah, so that's what we had to do to get through the night, kind of thing, right? The thing we had to get through the night, yeah. Whoops, get this out of the way. There we go. There we go. Whoops. Yeah, so got some hot coffee here. Got some hot coffee. Oh, the girls look great. They both got trimmed yesterday. Yeah, they both got trimmed yesterday. Awesome, man. So anyway, yeah, I've heard that Chrome from Van City Van Life has had a few of the Chinese ones, the ones made in China. And they've all kind of crapped out on him at one point. And the only one he's got anymore that's functional is, I can't remember the brand name, but it's made in either Russia or Germany or Sweden or something like that, but not made in China, and it's still functional. He's had that for a long, long time. So yeah, so that could be the plan. But and also this one here, I can actually order in another fuel pump and figure out how to install it and all that kind of stuff and everything. Just a second here. Toys. And do that, but I mean, it's not just cost of money and the effort to go and do it all that, but it's also time. You know, it's going to take probably a week to two to get the pump delivered to me, and in the meantime, I got to do something like burn wood or something or other, or burn propane. I don't know, you know, that kind of thing. But yeah, basically, that is just the challenges of getting through trying to heat up a tiny house, tiny house on wheels, living off grid kind of deal. Yeah, that is just one of the examples of the challenges of trying to get through all this. So now I have to find some wood here to burn in my little wood stove to get me through now, until I figure out what to do to either replace or fix or whatever the diesel heater there. So that's going to be interesting challenge. But yeah, so now I have to scrounge up some wood, which is going to take me a lot of time and effort and stuff like that. And time I don't have, and effort I don't know that I have either anymore from the last batches of wood I went out there and cut up and chopped and cut and chopped kind of thing. Yeah, split up and everything. Whoa, wow. Oh, toys on the floor again. Yeah, toys on the floor again. Yeah, we're used to that from the live shows. Anyway, so that's the conundrum right now, is my heater, diesel heater is crapped out, and I have to kind of maintain. It has been freezing up at night, but it's really not really that bad if I can maintain a certain warmth in here to a certain time frame, hour kind of thing in the morning. You know, I can kind of adjust it. And these blankets here I got are pretty thick and pretty decent, but you know, it is a challenge. It is a challenge. I wouldn't want to live in a much colder climate in another part of wherever, Canada or anywhere. But yeah. Anyway, so yeah, that's our conundrum right now. So yeah, it's going to take me a while to chop a bunch of wood or collect wood or whatever I have to do. So we'll see you when I get around to doing that, okay? Right, girls? Right? Right? Yeah, okay. Okay. You're so adorable now. So now that I've explained the little dilemma with the diesel heater there, let's just kind of rewind the clock here a little bit, go back in time, and we'll show you how the morning actually unfolded, right kind of when that happened kind of thing, or right after that happened. Let's go back and check that out, okay? Come along with me.
The bluebirds peacefully sing along that I love you. Oh, 그대여 난 빨리 거리를 걸어요. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요.
So in spite of the diesel heater failing on me completely, you gotta love waking up to this sort of thing in the morning, right? Isn't this gorgeous? Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Yeah, and life can have its challenges and be tough sometimes, but you gotta focus. Just try and stay in the moment. Stay in the moment. Right, Cheryl? Stay in the moment. And enjoy just the little things. Just the little things you get. Sure is chilly without a heater, though. Yeah, so just stay in the moment and enjoy the little things. Stay focused. Beautiful, eh? Just beautiful.
저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. When I'm not with you, all these shiny things don't mean a thing. 눈동자 비친 아들의 샹젤리제 그대와 같이 오르면 지겨. I love you. 그대여 난 빨리 거리를 걸어요. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워있어도 좋아요. 그대여 난 빨리 거리를 걸어요.
So now we gotta head out of here. I gotta go upload a video. I gotta charge up my laptop. We gotta do a little shopping and stuff. And we just gotta take care of a bunch of stuff. So let's head out of here right now. Let's head out of here right now. So since we had to go right by here, there's something that's been on my mind for a while, something I wanted to check on, and I just haven't got around to it. It should be happening right about this time of year. So I'm going to go check it on that now that we're passing through here. And so let's go get these crazy little monkeys out of the plate here and let them run for a ways. Okay. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Right there. Right there. That stinging nettle. It's popping up everywhere now. Just that right time of year, right? Popping up everywhere. Lots and lots of stinging nettle. So there you go. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Awesome. I was kind of wondering about that. Yeah. So that's cool. That is cool. Stinging nettle's up, so I'm going to go ahead and grab me a bag full of that stuff while we're here. Get some fresh to eat fresh, like with some kind of meal. Eggs or something, I don't know. Anyway, and then a whole bunch of it for drying up for tea and that later with the other batch I've already got at home kind of thing. So, yeah, going to get on this right away. Let's do this. There we go. We got a really good sized bag of fresh stinging nettle there. More than enough to do at least 2 fresh meals with or meals with fresh stinging nettle, and a whole bunch left over for drying out for tea later and that sort of thing too. But here's another thing too. I've showed you this in previous videos before, but this is how you eat stinging nettle when you're on the trail and you want something to eat and it's really super healthy and super nutritious and everything. So what you do is you grab those little buds at the top, just those last little buds at the top like that. Just like that, right? Grab them and then you squish them between your fingers till they become juicy. And as soon as they get juicy, they can't sting you anymore. Not a bit. Not a bit. So here we go. So that's them squished up, juicy and everything like that. No sting left. Oh, they actually taste really good like that. Really good. Like a really good tasty vegetable you might buy at the market. Even better. Really good, but there's no sting. Once you squish them and crush them and everything like that, get them all juicy and mushed up, there's no sting left in them. So yeah, you can sit here and eat tons and tons of this on the trail anytime you're stuck in a wilderness or anything like that, and survive. It's amazingly nutritious and super delicious and healthy and everything like that. So yeah, you can just live on the stuff pretty much. But yeah, it's really good. I love when I'm out in the trail, I love to just reach down and grab a top or two like that, squish it up, pop it in my mouth, chew it up. Really tasty, really delicious. So that's cool. So anyway, we're going to we're done with that now, so let's just head back to the tiny little house. Okay, there we go. We got our video uploaded. We got the laptop charged up. We got all our other devices and everything charged up and ready to go. Basically, all we got to do is go down to the store and grab a bunch of things there, and then just, I guess, head back down to the beach and hang out there again for the night. Yeah, so let's head out and let's do that right now. Well, I went and got myself a bunch of these bioflame fire logs here. Yeah, I got 7 bundles of them. 7 bundles. So that'll last me a little bit. Yeah, keep us warm. Keep us warm. Now that our heater's gone and everything, I got to resort to burning some wood. So this was the fastest and simplest way, rather than running out in the woods and spending a whole day or whatever cutting and chopping and splitting firewood kind of deal. So yeah, got our fire logs here to take care of that situation. So we're just gonna sit here, throw a fire on, and just relax again. Tally ho. Tally ho.